In this tutorial, we'll explore how variables work and learn how to create, organize, and use them with the Variable Manager. Variables allow us to manage certain values centrally and reuse them across multiple parts of a project. They make it easier to create themes, multilingual interfaces, or dynamically changing components. Subject variables also allow us to modify the values and behavior of UI elements directly from code. Let's get started. Variables can be created and managed in the Variable Manager. When creating a new variable, you can choose from several data types depending on the kind of value you want to store. Variables can be organized into collections. Collections allow you to manage related values in one place, making the project's variables easier to understand and maintain. You can also create groups within a collection to organize variables further. For example, you can place values related to colors, typography, language content, or layouts into separate groups. Once a variable has been created, it can be assigned to different properties of the interface. In Vision, variables are not limited to a few predefined use cases. A variable can be bound to any widget property, layout setting, or even a style property. Once assigned, the property no longer uses a directly specified fixed value. Instead, it uses the current value of the selected variable. The main advantage of this is that if the variable is updated later, all connected elements will automatically use the new value. Created variables can also be converted into subjects. Variables configured as subjects are exported as subjects, making them easy to access and modify from the application code. By using an observer, we can monitor changes to a subject's value. When the value is updated in code, the connected UI elements can refresh automatically. The active mode can be changed in the variable panel. When a mode is selected, every property bound to a variable in that collection is updated automatically. This allows us to switch between light and dark themes or different languages with a single action, without having to modify each component individually. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed the content, give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming episodes.